buddies, and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Moto G82. For that, you want to go to your settings, go to security, and then go to fingerprint. We must choose another screen lock together with a fingerprint, either a pattern, a pin, or a password. I'm gonna choose the pin, and that pin must be at least 4 digits long. I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4. You maybe want to be a bit more creative so people don't get into your phone. Now we need to re-enter our pin, confirm, and then lock screen. So now he asks us what we want to show when the phone is locked. So show all notification content, just sensitive content, or don't show any notifications at all. I don't really mind. I go with show all notification content right now, but you can also choose a different one. Click on done and then unlock with your fingerprint. Now we're going to scan our fingerprint. Also note, your fingerprint may be less secure than a strong pin or pattern. Up to you. So now we go to setup and find our fingerprint sensor, and that is here on your on and off button. So now we're gonna move our finger around till we reach the full circle. Okay, fingerprint added. You're ready to use your fingerprint to unlock, log in, and make payments. So you can not only use your fingerprint to unlock your phone, but also to make payments and log into other accounts. That's useful. That's way faster than put in a password. So you can also use that to do payments and log into accounts. We can also choose to add another finger. We don't want to do that right now. You can totally do so. You can choose all your 5 fingers or also from your left hand. Totally up to you. I'm not going to do it right now, so we're clicking on done. Easy shortcuts. To get quick shortcuts anytime, you can double tap on the power key. Alright, so when we double tap on our on and off button, we'll get to shortcuts, as you can see here. You can choose to learn more about that. I'm not gonna do that right now. So we click on not now. And then, you have your finger 1 here. You can also name it. I'm gonna leave it to finger 1 because I don't wanna add any more. Click on OK. You can add a fingerprint here also. Touch to unlock. When the screen is off, unlock by touching the fingerprint sensor. So I'll go back to my home screen, lock my phone, and then just touch it and my phone is unlocked again. That's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Moto G82. Hope it helped, hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.